Welcome everybody. Today we are going to try to solve this chemistry IIT mains question that says sodium salt of an organic acid X produces effervescence with concentrated H2SO4 and X reacts with the acidified aqueous CaCl2 to give a white precipitate which decolorizes the acidic solution KMnO4. So the correct answer here X is Na2C2O4, that is sodium oxalate. Let's see why. So when sodium oxalate or Na2C2O4 reacts with H2SO4 concentrated, will give Na2SO4 and H2O and CO2 gas. That produces effervescence. Now when sodium oxalate reacts with CaCl2, aqueous Cl2, it gives CaC2O4 and NaCl. That is the white precipitate of calcium oxalate. And lastly, when Na2C2O4 reacts with which decolorizes the acidic solution of KMnO4. Okay, my bad. So now we have 2MnO4 plus 5C2O4 minus, that is the same solution with 16 molecules of hydrogen ions, and that gives 2Mn2 plus 10 CO2 plus water. Decolorized acidic solution. So the correct answer here is Na2C2O4 or sodium oxalate.